Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Yesterday, I celebrated Mass in one of our cathedral chapels. After the Mass, as I was going back to the service to go home, I saw a group of ladies talking loudly to each other. Tapos, may isang nakatambay na lalaki ang sumigaw. Sabi niya, "Pader, pagsabihan mo nga sila, kasisimba lang ng mga iyan." Instead na magalit, ako po ay natawa. Tapos, biglang humina ang boses ng mga nagmamarites sa kanto. Lumapit yung isa sa akin at nag-explain. Sabi niya, "Pader, kasisimba ko lang sa'yo kanina. Pero si ganito kasi, si ganyan kasi, bla bla bla. Hindi naman tama yun, di ba? Etcetera, etcetera." Sinabi pa po sa akin kung ano ang nangyari. Dinamay pa ako sa chismis at marites. Dear brothers and sisters, our piety, sacrifices, and fastings are useless if they will not change us internally. They are not ends in themselves. Hindi po sa dasal, sa fasting, at mga sacrifices natatapos ang mga iyon. Hindi yun ang ending. Hindi yun ang highlight. Jesus was asked in the gospel today, "Why do your disciples do not fast?" At alam niyo po, it was a very valid question from the disciples of John. Very devout Jews po kasi sila. And to think that they are not observing the required minimum of fasting is disobeying the law. But Jesus said to them, "Hindi. Okay lang yan. Save the rituals when I'm gone. Sa ngayon, focus muna tayo sa real reason bakit tayo nagfa-fast." And you see, we often hear in our readings, "I desire mercy, not sacrifice." And you know, I think this is the heart of the gospel message these days as we reflect on the ministry of Jesus. His teachings are useless if they will not be acted upon. Just like how we may observe the ritual and prescriptions of fasting, but we may not internalize the real spirit behind it. Commercial. Dear brothers and sisters, what is the core or the heart of being a Christian? It is love, mercy, and compassion. The moment we become too focused on the externalities and forget to love other people, we fail to become Christians. The moment we become too obsessed with appearances and forget to be merciful and considerate with other people, we fail to be Christians. And the moment we become too pious and faithful to rituals and yet fail to become compassionate to our neighbor, especially to those in need, we fail to be Christians. We can pray 100 rosaries a month, but it cannot change our attitudes. We can attend 1,000 masses a year, but it may not change our hard-heartedness. We may pray 10,000s of Hail Marys, but it may not bring us to heaven. Jesus said, "Pour new wine into fresh wineskins, and both are preserved." Piety and change in attitude, dear brothers and sisters, must go hand in hand. Amen.